to my channel, and if you are new here, hey, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I'm so happy you're here. So, for today's video, I'm going to do a makeup for glasses tutorial. So, honestly, you can do any kind of eye look or makeup that you want to with glasses. It's really not that big of a deal. But for today's tutorial, I really wanted to just give you an easy, simple, go-to look that's going to make your eyes pop behind your frames. You're still going to be able to see them. It's going to look good. You can do no makeup with glasses. You can do a ton of makeup with glasses. It really doesn't matter. This is just a really simple and easy look. And when I do it, and I do it with my glasses, it really just highlights my eyes and it really makes them look good. So if you want to see a quick tutorial on how to do your makeup when you are wearing your glasses, then just keep on watching and we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so as you can see, I already have my face makeup done because I really wanted the emphasis to be on the eyes today. This is nothing crazy, and it's probably one of the easiest looks that I have shown you guys, but I think it looks really beautiful when I'm wearing my glasses, so I wanted to share it with you guys. So for today's video, I'm using my Huda Beauty new nude palette. This is such a beautiful palette. I specifically wanted to use this palette because of the beautiful shimmer shades in it. They're very pigmented and they really make my eyelids pop, and that is what I want to emphasize when I'm wearing my glasses. I also already went ahead and did my brows. When I'm wearing my glasses, I like to do a more strong brow. I like to do a nice sharp, really bold, like Instagram type of brow because they're right here above your glasses, and that's going to be one of the first things people see and notice when you're wearing glasses, just because they're not covered up. They're right above your frames. So I really like to do a bold, strong brow just so that they can be noticed and look really good. So first things first, I'm going to dip into Secret, and this is just going on a big fluffy brush, and I'm just kind of buffing this in small circular motions and windshield wiper motions just throughout my crease, just to kind of set the concealer that I have on my eyelids for primer, and just to add a little bit more dimension. For this look, I'm not looking to go for a heavy crease. I don't want to do anything too crazy that's going to close my eye up. I really just want to emphasize the crease a little bit and then go in with a bright shimmer on the lid. The whole purpose of this is to make my eyes pop, because with glasses they can kind of get lost a little bit, but I want to be able to show off my makeup when I'm wearing glasses as well as when I'm not wearing glasses. So this is just a simple and easy way to make your makeup pop through your frames. Just to add a little bit more dimension, nothing crazy, I'm going to go in with Teddy from this palette, and I'm just going to run this along my crease as well. I'm going in with a super light hand because if I press too hard, I'm going to be going in with too much pigment. I really don't want this color to be super noticeable. I just want to deepen up the crease a little bit, kind of just give this a light wash of color. So a light hand is necessary when going in with this. These shades are also super pigmented, so it's easy to get carried away. Just be careful and go in with a light hand. I'm just going to mix those two colors together and also run those along my lower lash line. I don't like to do anything too heavy because I don't want my eye to be closed up. I want to keep my eye nice and wide and open just so that you can see the makeup look. So that is my crease all complete. It was super easy. I just went in with two colors and just buffed them into my crease. It really just emphasized the shape of my eye. It just prepared it for the lid color that I'm going to go in with. I'm going in with Crave from the new nude palette, and I'm just placing this on my lid with my finger. This is a really, really beautiful and pigmented gold reflective color, but it also has little pink speckles in it. So it's really, really beautiful, and it's going to make my eyelid pop. So as you can see, this lid color is really just opening up my eyes. It's making them pop and it's making them look brighter. So now it's time to highlight the inner corner and the brow bone. I think that this step is probably one of the most necessary steps when I'm wearing my glasses, just because it does open up my eyes. It makes them bright. It makes them shine. It really just emphasizes the eye look, and that's what I'm going for when I'm wearing my glasses, because I want my eyes to be the center of attention. Even though that they're behind frames, I want that to be what you can really notice. To highlight the inner corner and brow bone, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Omrizi highlight. This is a beautiful gold highlight. It's perfect for every day, and it's so blinding that you're going to be able to see my eyes from outer space. I just like to pop that right in the inner corner and then right here above my brow. And again, this just opens them up, keeps my eyes looking nice and wide and awake. And this is a good tip for people who have smaller eyes than me. If you have smaller eyes, putting highlight on the inner corner is a super good tip on how to make your eyes look bigger and bolder. And it's something that I can't go a day without. So another good tip for you guys, if you want to keep your eyes looking nice and bright and awake, is to go in with a nude liner on your waterline. This is just going to open them up, and it's going to make you look like you had a nice 8 hours of sleep last night, and you know that you're awake and ready for the day. And this is a tip for anybody that has smaller eyes. This is just going to make your eyes look bigger, and it's going to make you look more awake. So for mascara, you can totally go in with an eyelash curler. I never go in with an eyelash curler. I don't really need to. My eyelashes kind of just lift on their own. But I don't go in with false lashes. I know that that sounds kind of disappointing, but false lashes and glasses really don't mix. It's really hard to make that work, especially when you're like me and you like the big, dramatic, crazy, bold lashes. You could probably get away with some like little individual lashes right here on the ends of your eyes, but it's really hard for people who wear glasses to go in with full, you know, dramatic like Miamis from Lily Lashes. So I'm just going to show you what I like to do, because I'll just go in with some mascara. This is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, and it's actually really good. And I'll just coat my lashes a few times. Just make them nice and black and lifted. So while I'm letting that mascara dry, I'm going to go ahead and do my lips, because you don't want to put your glasses on before your mascara is dry, because it is very likely that you will get mascara all over your lenses, and then that's just a mess that nobody wants to clean up. So I'll always go in with a nude lip, just because nude lips are the most easy and wearable to, you know, do. But today I'm going to go in with a like pinky nude. It's definitely more pinky than nude, and this is the shade High Fruit Teas by MAC, and it's from their In Bloom collection. And I'm just going to place this on my lips. It's a really pretty pink. Perfect for spring. When I'm wearing my glasses, I like to go in with a nice, like, bolder color on my lips. Nothing crazy. It's usually still a nude or, like, in the pinky nude family. But I want them to stand out, because when I'm wearing my glasses, the first thing people are going to see are my eyebrows, my lips, and then hopefully my eyes with this beautiful, you know, shimmer shade on it. But I like to make my lips just stand out a little bit more than I usually do. And of course I'm going in with lip gloss, and this one has been my absolute favorite since I picked it up. It is so beautiful. This is the MAC lip gloss in the shade For the Thrill of It, and this is also from their In Bloom collection. Oh, it's beautiful. This lip color is perfect for spring. I will be wearing this all the time, in case you were wondering. But now that my mascara is dry, we can pop on my glasses. The glare is going to be terrible. I'm really sorry. I don't have anti-glare glasses. I wish I did. I will try my best to not blind you guys, but here we go. Okay, okay, so, and one, I know it got kind of dark, but I had to turn my ring light off just to show you. And two, sorry I'm like all the way on the edge of the camera, but the glare is really terrible. I just wanted to show you what it would look like. I don't know how well you can see it because the glare is really terrible. Again, I'm really sorry that I'm like all the way on the edge of the seat, but I'm really trying to show you what this would look like. I think it looks really beautiful. You'll be able to see in the thumbnail, and I'll probably post a picture to my Instagram story, so if you're not following me on Instagram, I will link that down below, and I'll probably put it on the screen somewhere, and you should definitely check that out. But I'm going to take these glasses off and finish the video, because I don't want to be all the way to the side of the screen, and I want to turn the light back on, and yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I took my glasses off again because the glare was just terrible. But that is it for this video. I really hope you liked it, and I really hope that it was helpful for you guys. I know that when wearing glasses, it can be kind of disheartening because you want to do like a crazy, bold makeup look, and you definitely can, but it's a little bit harder to see, and it's kind of a pain in the butt, if I'm being honest. So I just wanted to give you like a simple and really beautiful way to wear makeup and still wear your glasses, but this is going to make your makeup pop. People are going to be complimenting you all day. They're going to tell you how good your makeup looks because this is such a beautiful look. But again, that's it for this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up down below. I would really, really appreciate it. And while you're down there, just go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that little notification bell right beside it so you can be notified every time I upload content. It is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and you don't want to miss out on my videos. But that's it for this video. Again, thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.